Hey there, it's bootsowen here. I've got a little motor arrangement set up to the Variac and it's in a tub of water. I'll talk about that in a minute. Over here, we've got 5 washing machines, no, 4 and a condenser dryer in a row. This Hoover, I tried to wreck that and didn't really do anything spectacular, but there'll be a video of that coming soon. This is the coffee machine WFF 1401. Nothing's happened to that one yet. It's just still in exactly the same spot in the garden. This is a, what was it, a Hot Point or a Whirlpool? I can't remember which one. I think it's a Hot Point WMA 40 washing machine. As you can see, we put that through its paces today and there's a lot of footage of that, so I'm going to edit that and see what I can make of it. It's smashed and it was strong. A little brave machine. It put up such a fight, it smashed up my concrete driveway ever so slightly, burned through the belt and whatnot. There's loads of footage on that, like I say. I'll edit that one, it'll come up. This one here, there's some issue with that one, couldn't get it to spin at all, so I'm going to have to look at the motor on that and get it going. And the condenser dryer, the plan for that one is, the moment, is either to fix it, which will be a video in itself, or fill it with water if it can't be fixed. The bearings are somehow really rumbly in it. If you try and turn it over, it sounds like it's running on like golf balls or something, so I might do a video on how to clean the filter and stuff on that anyways and see what comes of that. But then back over here, I've got 220 voltage coming in, plugged out at the moment, up to the Variac, and motor in the bucket to see if it works, and there'll be another video of that as well, so stay tuned for all the nonsense that's on its way. I've got some other van videos coming, I've got some DIY videos and some asphalt videos, so there's loads going on here. It's a really sunny day and everything's alright in the world, I think. Thanks for watching, see you later.